Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Lin。好累哦 ，I'm so tired。昨天做了一整天的家事啊。
有样嘛？
怎么样啊？你不相信吗？
嘿呀，有一点。
You know what? I'm so tired today because I did a lot of house chores yesterday. 今天就是要教大家我们平常都会做的家事。
好
Okay? We're going to teach you how to say certain house chores in Hakka. For instance, doing the laundry, wash the dishes, mop the floor, clean the toilet. The list goes on and on and on. 我们先教这样子好了。Alice, it's your turn to do the dishes.
今本日
今本日
輪到洗碗。
洗碗 So save one 是洗碗。
對
Save one, that's do the dishes. All right? And I just told Alice to do the dishes today. 明天也是 okay? All right, let's talk about doing the laundry. Okay, I like doing the laundry because I want to wear fresh clothes again. 一个礼拜洗一次衣服 Do the laundry once a week.
一個禮拜洗一擺衫褲。
洗一擺衫褲 OK, 洗一擺衫褲就是洗一次衣服就对了。那如果只是说洗衣服
洗衫褲
that means do the laundry. All right, so we just talked about doing the dishes, doing the laundry. Well, there are other things that we might do, including mopping the floor, 拖地。
拖地奶
感觉拖地就好了，为什么还要奶？
就拖地奶就地下很多脏脏的泥巴或是什么拖地奶啊。
拖地奶 that means mop the mud. They actually use the word mud in their vocabulary. Well, anyways, it's referring to mopping the floor. Okay.
海陸腔
Let's teach another dialect right here.
拖地奶
拖地奶 Okay, that's 海陸 dialect. Ooh, I don't like doing this, but we have to do it sometimes. 有時候要洗廁所。
洗片所
that's cleaning the toilet, which I don't really like. One more thing we do is wipe the windows. 擦窗戶。
出重門 Yeah.
All right, that's wipe the windows. Let's review these terms of house chores so you know how to say it in Hakka. Do the dishes, 洗碗。
洗碗。
洗衣服 do the laundry.
洗衫褲。
Perhaps you need to mop the floor. 要拖地。
拖地奶。
And then you want to clean the toilet. 洗廁所。
洗片所。
And finally, wipe those windows.
出重門
There you have it. So do all that in one night and you'll have a clean house. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.